Said it happened last night, about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. We started at 9 to Club 777, it was just like heaven, and a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. When you this girl cross the line, you're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. Come on, within the world, and now it is holding up. You set my heart on fire.